In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Canva effortlessly, making your design stand out and feel more dynamic. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating beautiful graphics, whether for personal projects, businesses, or even just for fun. Sometimes giving a little twist to your text can add a creative flair that captures your audience's attention. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to rotate text in Canva seamlessly. First, you'll need to go to your Canva document. If you're working on a project, open it from your Canva dashboard. This is the centralized hub where all your designs reside, making it convenient to access and organize your projects. Once you're in your document, you'll see your canvas with all the elements you've added. Whether you're working on a poster, an Instagram post, or a presentation slide, the process is the same. Next, you'll want to select the specific text you want to rotate. Click on the text box itself, and this should automatically highlight the text you've chosen. This step is crucial because rotating will only apply to the selected text box and not any other elements around it. As soon as you click on the text, you'll notice a rotation handle appear. This usually looks like a circular arrow icon above your text box. It's designed to be intuitive, giving you control over the direction and angle of your text placement. With your rotation handle in sight, simply click and drag it in the direction you want your text to turn. This free-form rotation allows you to see instant visual feedback as you adjust the angle, making it easy to find the perfect orientation for your design. You can rotate it slightly for a subtle tilt or dramatically for a more eye-catching effect. One tip to keep in mind is to pay attention to how the rotation affects the overall balance of your design. Sometimes, a small rotation can make a huge difference in how polished and professional your graphic looks. Finally, once you're satisfied with the positioning, you're all done. Your text should now be at an angle that complements your design. It's always a good idea to take a step back and view the entire canvas to ensure everything aligns well stylistically. By rotating text, you add a dynamic element that can enhance the aesthetic of promotional material, social media posts, or any visual content you're creating. And there you have it, an easy way to add a twist to your text using Canva. With this skill in your repertoire, you'll be able to enhance the visual impact of your projects and express your creative vision with greater versatility. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel empowered to experiment with text rotations in your future Canva creations. Happy designing!